Hey guys, welcome back. And today we will learn how to change the color and the background color of an HTML element through CSS. Let's start with color. What does color property do? Color is a CSS property that simply changes the color of an HTML element. A CSS property is a specific aspect of styling, like color or size. We can change a CSS property to style an element according to our wants. To write the color property, write color all lowercase followed by a colon. After the colon, you can select the color you want. Let's give it a try. I have a simple code. In our HTML file, we have a h1 heading element with a unique ID of title. And in our CSS file, we have selected our element by its unique ID. After selecting our element, we are changing our color to red. If you don't know anything about ID selectors, then I highly recommend checking out our last video covering this topic. Link in the description down below. But back to our code. If we run this, we will see our h1 heading element with a red font color on our website. Before we proceed, I think it's important for us to know something about colors. There are many ways we can choose a color in CSS. The easiest way, and the way we have been selecting colors, is to simply use the built-in colors in CSS. We can use red, blue, orange, green, etc. There are many colors to choose from. But if you have a special color that is not on the list, we can use hexadecimal, RBG, or HSL values. To write a hexadecimal value, first write a hashtag and then your value, no spaces. To write a RBG value, first write RBG all lowercase followed by a set of parentheses. Then, write your RBG value inside the parentheses. And finally, to write HSL value, first write HSL all lowercase followed by a set of parentheses. Then, write your HSL value inside the parentheses. These are few things we can do with color. There are other cool things that we can do with our color property in CSS, like setting an HTML element's transparency. But for now, we are only learning the basics. We will hopefully get to that in future videos, God willing. The other CSS property we will discuss in this video is the background-color property. What does background color do? The background color property simply changes the background color of a HTML element. To write this property, first write background color followed by a colon. Then select your color. When writing background color, make sure that there is a dash between the word background and the word color. Make sure there are no spaces either. Here I have a simple h1 heading element, and in my CSS file, I am changing the background of our CSS element. If we run this, we will see our heading element with a red background. Why not color the entire website red? To do this, we will select our body tag from our CSS file and change the background color to red. If you don't remember, the body in HTML is basically the entire page of a website, so running this will color the entire page red. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.